Okay, so again, just a recap for what I have said earlier. Okay, so this is the book that you're going to use. It's Talking Point 1. Okay, and as what I have said, there will be stories for you to read. Okay, also vocabularies. Okay, new words to be learned. And you're going to answer some questions about the story wherein you're going to practice your sentence construction. Okay? Alright, so let's start with this lesson 1 here. And the title of this unit is
All you can eat?
Okay, all you can eat. Alright, now when you hear the word or you've read the word all you can eat, what is the first thought that comes up to your mind?
Kimchi?
Yes, okay. Kimchi, food, right? So the same thing. If I hear or see signboard, all you can eat, the first thought that comes up in my mind is I can eat food, whatever food, or how many food. Yes, that I would like to eat. And you are correct. Say, okay, all you can eat, automatically kimchi. All right, so let's read this story here. Okay, do I have to make it a little bigger for you? Bigger? Or can you see the text?
Oh, yeah. Robert's family got together every Sunday. They always had lunch together. Each week, they went to the same restaurant. It was an all-you-can-eat buffet. Robert's family loved eating. This was the perfect restaurant for them. Robert's mom always ate the most. She would starve herself and rest for palate for one meal. His dad was a picky eater. The buffet gave him plenty of options. Aunt Nancy loved the buffet the most. She always brought a bag with her. She would make sure no one was looking at her. Then she would drop food into the bag. Her bag was 3 times bigger than before by the time she left.
Okay, it's a good story, right? Okay, and I'm pretty much sure you two understand what is the story all about. Okay, now there is just one word that you had mispronounced when you read earlier, and that is the word
Practice.
Okay. Alright, so this is read as plates.
Plates?
Yes, plate. Okay. When you eat, you use the plate. Okay, sometimes with chopstick or fork, spoon. So okay, so it is where the food is put. Okay, when you eat, plates. Okay, so if it's plates, if it's only one, okay, you call it as plate. Okay, if it's more than one or many or plural, you add s.
Plates. Okay.
Plates. All right. Okay, so far your reading is awesome. It's good, and let's proceed to the vocabulary here. Okay, for today's vocabulary, the first one here is the word
get together. To gather people into one place or group.
Okay, so get together. Okay, get together means to gather. Okay, please repeat. Gather.
Gather. Bundle.
Good job. Okay, gather. Okay, the pronunciation is ga. You're going to drop your jaw. Gather.
Gather.
Okay, one more time. Ga. Open a little bit. Ga.
Gather.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect. You're welcome. So gather people in one place or a group. So as what you have said, together. Okay, meeting together. So that is get together. For example, this week or last week, you have the OT or an orientation, right? You have an orientation for nursing, and you and the other students had get together. Okay, for the OT or for the orientation. Okay? Alright, good. Now the next one or the next word here is
all you can eat.
okay,
A
all you
meal
can eat.
at a restaurant where people can serve themselves as much food as they want.
Okay, very good. Okay, so as for you, because you like kimchi, okay, and when you see the word all you can eat, automatically first thought is kimchi. So an all you can eat buffet, okay, does not only offer one meal, like for example only kimchi. So when we say all you can eat buffet, there's a lot of variety. Okay, well, there's a lot of choices of food there. Okay, but there is no waiter to serve. Okay, people or the customer should go and get food for themselves. Okay, so serves themselves and no other waiter or waitress to serve them. Okay, next one is
Perfect,
okay.
complete, and right in every way.
Okay, complete and right in every way. Perfect.
Perfect,
Perfect. Perfect.
perfect.
Okay, almost good. Okay, and I think it's you just have to how to say keep on practicing it every morning. Okay, the f sound. Okay, so yes, perfect.
Perfect.
Ah, there, you've got it. Okay, perfect. All right, so that is complete or right in every way. In other words, we can say correct. 100% correct. So that is perfect without faults or without any fault at all. Okay, no faulty.
Okay.
All right, the next one is
Picky.
picky. Okay, meaning
Picky. Liking only a few things and therefore difficult to please.
okay, so liking only few things. Okay, again, things. The th will sound as things.
Also, things.
Very good.
Things.
Okay. Yes. Liking only few things and therefore difficult to please. Now, when we say difficult to please, these are the type of people that do not like everything. For example, you go in a restaurant, okay, all you can eat restaurant, and there's a lot of food, variety of food choices in the table. And you only like one. For example, only kimchi. You don't like the beef, the fish, the other vegetables, salad, or whatever you don't like. Only kimchi. That means you are picky.
Picky.
Picky. In other words, you can also say picky is choosy. Sorry, choosy. Okay? Choosy. Choosy comes from the word choose. Okay, so you choose which one you like. Sorry. Oh, you keep on choosing which one you like. Okay? Oh, let me double check the correct spelling first. Hold on. Okay, choosy. I think I've used this one. Okay, so being choosy.
Fuzzy.
Yeah.
F-U-S-S-Y. Fuzzy.
Fuzzy. Yes, very good. Being fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Being fuzzy is also the same. Okay, very fussy. Okay, it's hard to please. Well done. Good job.
But I'm not picky.
You're not picky. Me too. Me too. I can eat whatever that is on the table.
Mm,
Okay, I'm not also picky. And the sentence earlier is only an example. Okay?
okay.
Alright, okay. And as what I have said, when it comes to food, I'm not picky. I can eat whatever. Okay, the next word, darling, is
Buffet.
okay, buffet. Okay, one more time.
Buffet. Buffet.
Buffet. Bu-
Buffet.
okay.
Buffet.
Yes, that's it.
Buffet.
Buffet means
A meal where people serve themselves food that is arranged on a table.
very good. So this is what I've said earlier, that in a all-you-can-eat restaurant, the food is being arranged in the table. Okay, and there is no waiter to send the food for you, so you have to go and get by yourself. So we call that as buffet table or buffet meal. Okay. Do you like going to all you can eat restaurant with a buffet table?
Buffet.
You
I
like?
like sushi. I like sushi buffet.
Me too. Yes, I really really love to be in that place. In fact, that is my favorite place when it comes to food. Okay. Well, anyway, have you eaten your breakfast yet?
I don't understand. Pardon me.
Okay, sorry. Have you eaten your breakfast yet? Have you eat your breakfast already?
I have breakfast.
Okay. As for me, I haven't taken my breakfast yet, and we are talking about food, sushi. Okay. Well, anyway, I can do that after our class. Okay. So now let's move on. Okay. To the next page of this book, which is the questions about the story. So you're going to answer some questions here related with the story you have read. Okay, so first one, please read.
What was the name of the main character in the story? I memory her back food.
Oh, you remember. Okay. So instead of saying I memory, okay, bag food, okay, or just memory, okay. Instead of saying memory, you can say I remember. Okay, so I remember the ant, okay, the ant of that putting the food in the bag, right? Okay, I remember that too. Okay, so but he is not the main character in the story. When we say main character, it is the number one character in the story. Sometimes it's also the one who is telling the story.
I don't understand.
Okay, who is the main character or the first character, the number one character in the story? Do you know what is character?
Her mom.
The mom? Almost. Very near. Try again.
Robert's family, right?
Yes, Robert's family. You're almost there. Okay, so with Robert's family, there are four, right? Okay, four of them. The dad, the mom, the aunt, and of course Robert. So among the four, who is the main character? The first character, the number one character. Okay, so let me bring you back in the story just very quick, okay, for you to see. Okay, so Robert's family get together every Sunday. Okay, so here it was mentioned Robert's mom, okay, his dad, and Aunt Nancy. Okay, so four characters were mentioned in this story. Robert's family, so that is Robert's there. Robert's mom, okay, his dad, and his aunt, Nancy, okay? And so the main character or the first character in the story is, of course, Robert. Okay, because we are talking about Robert, his family, his dad, his aunt Nancy. Okay, now since the answer is Robert, okay, now I want you to make an answer for question number 1 here. Okay, what was the name of the first character in the sentence?
Robert's wife.
Okay.
Robert's,
Okay. So the answer dear is Robert. Okay? Only Robert. He is the first one. But I want you to practice answering question in a complete way. Okay? For example, what is being asked is the main character. Okay? Now, in your answer, you're going to start here. The name of the main character in the story.
Robert's.
Yes.
Robert's family.
The name of the main character in the story is Robert.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Okay.
Is Robert. Okay, so only one. So as you can see dear, I've only get this part here. Okay.
The name of the main character in the story is Robert.
Robert's. Okay. So this is your answer. This is actually your answer. Only one. But if you want to practice your English communication, practice answering in complete way. Okay? You will improve faster. And the only technique that I can give you is answer the question from the part of the question itself. Okay? So the name of the main character in the story, it's from the questions here. And then you add up with your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay, take a screenshot or you just remember it. And on your next class, when will be the next class? Wednesday, right? Your next class is on tomorrow.
I go this class.
Okay, I mean, yes. Your next class with me is Wednesday. I forget.
No. Tuesday,
tomorrow.
Thursday. Sorry, Thursday.
Thursday, okay. So we are going to continue this on Thursday, okay?
Okay.
On Thursday. All right. So just very quick before we end your class for today, just very quick review. Okay, for today's class summary, you only have one sentence correction. Okay, so the first one is you said I memory. Okay, so better say I
remember.
I remember. Okay. Now you mispronounce these words here. Okay, please read.
Okay.
Plates.
Gather. Puppet.
And
things.
And things. Okay, so far, dear, there is no new words learned for today, and everything went well. I'm going to see you again on Thursday. Have a good day. Enjoy your week. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.